I know how frustrating it can be to find the right laundry detergent, especially for hand washing. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let me share my honest experience with the top 5 detergents that make hand washing clothes not just effective, but enjoyable. Product number 1, Gain Plus Odor Defense Liquid Laundry Detergent. When I first tried Gain Plus Odor Defense Liquid Laundry Detergent, I was immediately captivated by its super fresh blast scent. I decided to test it on a load of my gym clothes, which often carry that stubborn odor from sweat. As soon as I poured the vibrant liquid into the water, the fresh scent filled the air, creating a pleasant atmosphere for washing. I could see the detergent working its magic as the fabric felt cleaner and smelled heavenly. The best part? It effectively eliminated the odors while leaving my clothes soft and fresh. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the scent adventure it offers transforms laundry day into a fragrant experience. It's also versatile. You can use it in various machines and water temperatures, which is a huge plus if you're washing in different environments. Moreover, it's safe for all fabric types, giving me peace of mind when washing delicate items alongside regular clothes. However, the only downside I encountered was that the strong scent may not be for everyone. If you prefer a milder fragrance or have sensitivities, this might not be your best choice. Product number 2, 7th Generation Concentrated Laundry Detergent. Switching gears, let's talk about the 7th Generation Concentrated Laundry Detergent. When I first opened the bottle, I was impressed by its simplicity and the absence of any harsh fragrances. It has a clean, straightforward design, and I felt immediately drawn to its hypoallergenic features, perfect for someone like me who has sensitive skin. As I used it on a batch of my family's laundry, I noticed that a little goes a long way. The concentrated formula allowed me to wash 53 medium loads, which is a great value for money. It tackled stains effectively thanks to its triple enzyme formula. One of my favorite things was the fact that it's made with plant-based ingredients and is EPA Safer Choice certified, so I felt good about using it in my home without worrying about harmful chemicals. However, there are a few things to consider. While it's excellent for sensitive skin, some might find the lack of fragrance a bit underwhelming, especially if you're used to scented detergents. Also, being concentrated means you have to measure it out carefully, which might not be ideal for everyone. Product number 3, the Laundress Wool and Cashmere Shampoo. Now, I know what you might be thinking, a shampoo for clothes? But trust me, this product is a game changer for anyone who treasures their delicate fabrics. I decided to put it to the test on my favorite cashmere sweater, which I had been hesitant to wash due to past experiences of it losing softness. Upon pouring this gentle detergent into the water, I was greeted with a sophisticated cedar scent that felt luxurious. The wash was incredibly easy. Just a few minutes of gentle agitation were all it took. After rinsing, I laid the sweater flat dry, and when it was ready, I was amazed. Not only did it retain its shape, but it felt softer than ever with that delightful cedar aroma still lingering. The pros are clear. It's specially formulated for delicate fabrics, ensuring that they remain soft and intact. Plus, it's effective in both hand and machine washing, making it versatile. However, the price point might be a consideration for some, as it's on the higher end for a detergent. Product number 4, the Laundress Delicate Wash. Another gem from the Laundress is their Delicate Wash. I was excited to try this on my silks and lingerie, which I've always been cautious about washing. The first thing I noticed was the new, transparent formula that seemed less messy for dosing. It felt like I was already winning before even starting. As I hand-washed my delicate items, the lightweight consistency made it easy to create a rich lather without needing much product. The lady scent, a soft citrus and floral blend, was refreshingly light yet lovely, making the washing process feel luxurious. After rinsing, my delicate items looked and felt incredible. Clean, fresh, and softly scented without being overpowering. Examining the pros and cons, this detergent is perfect for sensitive fabrics and keeps them looking new. It's double concentrated, so you get more bang for your buck, and the packaging is user-friendly. On the flip side, the price is a little steep, but for someone who values their delicates, it's worth every penny. Why should you consider the Laundress Delicate Wash? If you have delicate fabrics that deserve special care, this product is your best friend. It combines functionality with a touch of luxury, making laundry day something to look forward to. Product number 5, Bridgewater Candle Sweet Grace Laundry Detergent. Last but not least, I fell in love with the Bridgewater Candle's Sweet Grace Laundry Detergent. From the moment I opened the bottle, I was hit with an intoxicating Sweet Grace scent. Think exotic passion fruit mixed with classic patchouli. I decided to try it on a batch of linens, and let me tell you, I was not disappointed. The detergent performed beautifully, deeply cleaning my fabrics while infusing them with that lovely scent. I felt like I was laundering my linens in a luxury spa. The fact that it's also sulfate and phthalate free was a huge plus, making it safe for all my washable fabrics. I even received compliments from guests wondering what smelled so good when they entered my home. The pros are abundant. It provides a long-lasting scent that makes you want to keep washing clothes, and it's effective in getting things clean. But I did have a slight concern about the price point. It's a bit on the higher side compared to other detergents. So why buy Bridgewater Candle's Sweet Grace? If you want to transform your laundry into an indulgent experience, this product is definitely worth it. It not only cleans, but does so with a powerful fragrance that leaves your clothes smelling divine. In conclusion, finding the right detergent for hand washing clothes can make a world of difference. From Gain's fresh scents to 7th generation's eco-friendliness and the luxurious care offered by the Laundress products, each has its unique charm. Choose the one that aligns with your laundry needs and elevate your washing experience today.